goes by so slowly. Time goes by
Mistletoe.
so slowly.
Myra, we kissed. We can't just forget it ever happened.
It's not looking good.
He could live another 10 to 20 years like this.
Ellie, I know it's easy to feel sorry for him right now, and you're only just coming to terms with who he really is, but darling, you know what he's done to me. And I mean, look at your brother. You did what you had to do for us.
His dad. What if he gets unlocked and starts talking?
He won't.
Look, James, I really don't think she's in a fit state to talk to the police tomorrow.
We don't have a choice. She needs to go, and she needs to be prepared. We just need to make sure you're on board with Mum's statement, and then we'll get a verdict of self-defense.
Yeah, but it wasn't self-defense, was it? Because I pushed it. I can't speak to the police. I can't do it.
Oh, my poor babies. None of you deserve this. We have to make sure that Alfie doesn't know about any of this, because if he finds out, we are in a world of trouble.
I'm sorry. Look, I told you I am not working today.
I know you said there's no job, but if you need the pressure taken off...
Do I look like I'm under pressure?
Yes. Well, it suits you, but the bruises, I mean, I'm not going to ask you how you got them, but I'm pretty sure you're not client-facing right now. Look, this isn't me flirting, trying to land a job this time. Condolences about your dad.
Yeah, I don't need them.
Look, you've got a lot going on with your family, so let me help you at work. I'm great at my job.
Yeah, well, I am better.
I may be off marking this week, but I'll be back to my new school very soon, and you know what schools are like for rumour. Look, please, just forget all about it.
But this is like the best news I've heard all year. You and Myra. It just makes so much sense.
Really?
Yeah, but why is she giving you the brush off, though? Because I can help you turn that around like a pro.
You're a former pupil. And anyway, I shouldn't be thinking about all this after so much tragedy. Nita dying and Mac in the hospital. Look, there's nothing you can do. I'm just scared of what other people will think. The last time you were this close, she dropped me the second Diego came back.
But where's Diego now? He ain't doing the nasty with Myra, that's for sure.
The nasty?
Look, do you know how long it took me to convince Lily to go out with the chaff from the estate? I'm not saying you're the chaff from the estate. Come on, just let me help you.
I don't know.
I can make this happen. I've literally already got it planned. Yeah.
At least if we hang out somewhere, then I can teach you the correct definition of literally.
Oh yeah, I should have said it's gonna cost you a tenner because man don't work for free.
Marnie absolutely loves you, which I wouldn't normally have a problem with, but her offering your job back, letting you move back in, means I'm still on Ellie's floor.
As always, Damon's bed.
Sure.
Alfie, stop! You shouldn't be going over there!
You can't stop me from seeing my own dad!
Just think of all the wicked things he's done to people. He doesn't deserve an ounce of your love.
Alfie, she's right.
Well, he didn't deserve to be pushed out of a window! No one does!
Alfie! Is it true you pushed him?
Well, I had to. He was attacking James. I mean, if I hadn't, heaven knows what would have happened.
He's never hit you, has he?
No, I just need to see it.
Of course you do. It's your dad.
No, the man is dangerous.
Well, not anymore.
I'm going, and don't follow me. It's either of you.
He'll be all right.
Look, there she is. Don't worry, I'll do the talking, yeah?
Such bad timing.
Hey, the Nightingales are shut today, right? But can you hire it out to us for our VIP lunch?
Prince?
No, so can I just say, good job on pushing Mr. Nightingale out the window, eh?
I'll take it from here, thank you, Prince.
Oh, right. I'll just get the stuff for the thing, yeah?
Yes. Sorry about that. He gets a little enthusiastic. For what it's worth, you have my full support. Mac's an awful, awful man. Are you okay?
I will be. But more to the point, are you okay? Do you know what? Keys to Nightingales. Just give them back to Diane when you're done. She's in charge this week.
Thank you.
Oh, hi, Dad. I've been doing some research. We can get you one of those voice synthesizers, you know, like Stephen Hawking. Dad, I'm having a really hard time understanding how the man that helped me through cancer, through Jade dying, through everything that our family has been through, can also be the man who would beat up his other son. The things that they're saying you did to Nita, you are the only person on Earth who can explain this to me. Because I just can't figure it out on my own. So I'm not going to give up on you.